Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. In this video, I am going to show you how to make peach salsa. This recipe is simple and easy. So delicious. A sweet and delightful treat, and so delicious with tortilla chips of any kind. It's also a great topper for grilled fish. Let's get started. In a large bowl, place diced peaches, diced red bell pepper, diced jalapeno include seeds, diced red onion, diced tomatoes. Add salt. Add black pepper. Also you can add chili powder if need more spicy. Add lime juice. Zest of lime. Add cilantro. Gently stir to combine. Wrap and place salsa in fridge for at least 1-2 hours to let flavors blend. Serve with tortilla chips or over any Mexican food, or sever with grilled fish or chicken. Enjoy!